Good day, everyone. Welcome to Rabbi Innovations channel, your number one stop by channel for everything tech. It's good to be here once again. In this video, I'll be speaking about 5 tech tricks that every beginner should know. Are you ready? Then come with me. Number 1 is screenshotting like a pro.
There are times you may want to capture the moment on your screen, or even save a receipt or share an error. How do you capture the moments? What many people do is that they bring out their phone and snap their screen. No, that's not done. So here is how you can get a screenshot on your laptop. If you're using a Windows system, click on Windows Shift S to snipe any part of your screen. And if you are using a MacBook, try Command Shift and 4. That is number 4. No more photographing your screen with your phone. Yeah, try it out.
Number 2 is pasting without formatting.
So there are times where you go and copy a text or some things from a particular website and you're pasting in your Microsoft Word, and you notice that it comes with a lot of formatting. So here is how you can paste just plain text without having to rack your brain around the formatting. So just click on, if you're using a Windows system, click on Ctrl Shift V, and if you're using a MacBook, click on Command Shift V. So it's just pastes plain text, strictly plain text, no colors, no fonts, just clear. Try it out.
Number 3 is finding any file on your computer instantly.
Have you ever looked for a particular file on your laptop before? You probably lost record of how or where you stored the documents. So here is how you can instantly find that document if you are using a Windows system. So click on Windows E and type the file name or even any keyword at all. It automatically finds that document. And if you're using a MacBook, you can click on Command and space, then type the keyword. This trick has saved me more than times that I can count.
Number 4 is zooming in and out instantly.
So there are times where the text in a document or even on a website is just too small and you need to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so here is how you can smartly get that done. If you're using a Windows system, click on Control, then use your mouse to either move up or down depending on whether you want to zoom in or zoom out. It works for web browsers, for documents and even images. But if you're using a MacBook, just click on Command and use your mouse to scroll either up or down depending on whether you want to zoom in or zoom out. This is a game changer for your eyes, right?
Number 5 is using voice typing.
There are times you don't necessarily feel like typing on your phone or on your system. Here is how you can get it done without really having to type. Open Google Docs, then go to Tools, then go to voice typing, click on the mic and then start talking. It is perfect. It automatically translates your voice to text. So it is perfect for notes, for drafts, even homework. It is shockingly accurate. Just speak clearly and you have it translated to text.
So you've been able to learn 5 new tech skills which will be very important and necessary on your tech journey. Alright, hit the like button if you learned anything new. Also subscribe and turn on notification for more tech related videos like this. Drop a comment in the comment section below of your favorite tech trick or even a problem you want me to solve next. Thank you.